everybody. We are here at Daytona International Speedway, the world famous road course. I'm here with my son Preston. It is an honor and it's a privilege. It's something that I've wanted since the day he was born, and here we are racing together. Sorry, I'm an emotional cuss, but I'm glad to be here with him, and we're going to show him around the track a little bit, and we're going to have some fun.
Yeah, beautiful and hot. 105-degree weather today, actually. A little bit of wind, a lot of fun. So we had some car troubles between both of us and the other guys, but they'll be fixed and ready for tomorrow's racing. Have a bunch of fun. But besides that, it's a beautiful day, and the big lineup of the big bore cars are absolutely phenomenal to watch.
Sun's out, guns out.
Exactly. Mopar or no car?